Hi, hello, how are you all? I hope all are fine, isn't it? Okay, today I'm going to start new chapter that is our green friends. Where do we find greenery? We find greenery in the nature. We have beautiful nature in our surrounding. Look at this picture, children, how beautiful, isn't it? So, we have very beautiful nature in our surroundings. In this nature, we can find so many types of plants. Plants are playing very important role in our daily life. How we are living things. Breathing is a feature of living thing. So, for breathing, what do we need? We need air. Do you have any idea from where we are getting air? We get air from green plants and trees. So, this is a way the plants are playing very important role in our daily life. Without the plants, we cannot survive. See, now you are all in second standard. Directly you came to second standard? No, you all have completed your pre-KG, LKG, UKG, first standard, and now you are in second standard. Now you are in second standard. So you are all growing stage by stage. You are all growing by stage by physically and mentally. You are all growing, isn't it? In the same way, plants also will grow. Plants will grow stage by stage. Plants will grow stage by stage. Let's see stages of plant. First stage will be seed. Second stage will be seedling. Third stage will be baby plant. Fourth stage will be flower plant. And fifth stage will be fruits with adult plant. So, this is a way the stage by stage plants will grow. For that we call life cycle of the plant. Next, we have parts in our body. We have different parts in our body. In the same way, the plants also have parts. Let's see parts of the plant. First one, root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. These are all parts of the plant. Let's see functions of the parts. Root. Root will grow under the soil. Next, stem. Stem will carry food and water for the plants. Leaf. Leaf will prepare a food for the plant. And flower. A flower is most attractive part in the plant. Now you understood life cycle of the plant and parts of the plant, isn't it? Next, Plants will grow everywhere. Plants will grow everywhere. Some of the plants will grow on the water. Which are the plants will grow on the water? Lily and lotus plant will grow on the water. Some of the plants will grow in the desert places. Which are the plants will grow in the desert places? Cactus and palm tree will grow in the desert places. And most of the plants will grow in the ground. We can see here only. In our school campus, we have beautiful garden. In that garden also, we can find so many types of plants. Isn't it, children? Yes. Plants have different sizes and different shapes. So most of the plants will grow from seeds. Water, soil, air and sunlight is required to grow a plant. Depending sizes and stem, plants are following types. Let's see types of a plant. Types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are all types of plants. Let's discuss about trees. A big plants are called trees. It has thick, hard and woody stem. It called trunk. Trees will grow tall and strong. Trees bear branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Trees have different shapes. Let's see uses of trees. From the trees we get fresh air, and from the trees we get different kinds of fruits. Example: orange, apple, jackfruit and apple. See, we are getting different kinds of fruits from the trees. And trees will provide shelter and home for the wildlife. How? Have you noticed monkey where it lives? It monkeys lives on the trees. Monkeys lives on the trees, and birds also lives on the trees. So this is a way trees are providing shelter and home for wildlife. And we used to use paper to write, and we used to use gum to stick something. Do you know, children? from where we are getting